Episode 86, and it's about 5 to 9. I've been out for about half an hour so far. We're having a nice morning stroll to Newmillerdam. Let's go. So I hadn't done Newmillerdam in quite some time, so I thought, you know what? I've got a busy day ahead. By busy day, I just mean I've got a party to go to this afternoon. Well, not a party, but I've got a gathering or whatever. And I need to get some beer. So I thought, well, Bottle & Co's over there. That's where I buy my beer from. So might as well go on a ride in this direction, do some stuff over here, head to Bottle & Co and come back this way. So this little junction here, we're turning right, and we're going to come back down here at the end of it. So yeah, it should be a good ride. Yeah, I've been out for about half an hour. I've done quite a bit of a ride so far just to get here. It saves like doing all the same stuff over and over again. Can I get up that? Without falling off. Kind of balls. Where's the bit that you can ride up? Oh, that's not good for my chest. Man. I know I keep going on about it, but this costochondritis, or whatever it's called, is just, oh, that smile's easier. It's just crippling me. It's I keep waking up in my sleep. I keep getting stuck on the sofa because I can't move my chest. It's painful all bloody time. Fed up with it now. Whoa. It's been, well, it was July when I fell off bike for the first time, and that's when it started. It's showing no signs of easing up. If anything, it's getting worse. Not as bad as when I first did it, because that were abysmal, but yeah, this last 6 weeks or so, probably since I fell off bike for a second time, I might have clicked it and made it doubled on the pain. The plan is, I'm not going through Nottingham Woods as much as I'd like to. Got a bit of a route that I've never done before. So thinking back to episode, I think it was 9, 10, 11, something like that. I think I'd just come back from Ibiza. That's when I did Newmillerdam for the first time. I think it was Jinson mentioned that there were a better route in the comments. So I'm like, all right, Sam. I had a little look up this morning. I think this is the way. If it's wrong, well, you have to tell me again. But yeah, nice. Yeah, look at this jump in front. I ain't doing that in a million years. Berms and that. Whoa. I'm gonna break my bloody neck here. Whoa. Nice. Whoa. Oh my days, if I just did that. Oh. Morning. It's not as deep here. Oh, again, that weren't good for my chest. Ow. No, I'm feeling good, and it was basically I've been cooped up in house for 5 days solid. It's just done nothing but rain all week, and it's been crap. I'm supposed to do 40 miles a week. I've done 0. So yeah, I need to get at least 20 in today. Anyway, I need to have a word with myself, really. So I kind of got into the habit of doing these episodes and acting like everyone knows what I'm on about. You know what I'm talking about? location and stuff. Oh yeah, I'm going to Newmillerdam. But I don't actually say anything about what it is, or where it is, or what I don't know. Oh my God. This going to get much deeper. So a little diversion to the left there. Yeah, so it's like I start every episode assuming that everybody knows what I'm talking about. So I'm kind of pigeonholing people to only like local folk. Not very good, really, is it? So I need to go. Oh, someone's walked on here, so let's see if I can ride on here. If not, I'm gonna have to go back and just try and get through that water without ruining my bike. It's not what I ideally wanted this morning. Oh, for God's sake. Okay. Nope, I'm gonna have to go through. Surely it's okay to do it. If not, it's gonna be an expensive bill and a very short episode. Just take it slow. I'm quite a way off the motor, to be fair. But, oh God. No, it's not bad. Oh no, I don't know. I don't come this way very often, so in fact, it's definitely been a long time since I've come down here, so we'll see what there is. I brought my second action cam out with me on a selfie stick. I know it might be thinking, what a loser, put your selfie stick away, nobody cares. Well, it's not for taking pictures of me or for taking videos of me. It's for taking videos of the environment while I'm on my bike and moving. I like the idea of being able to go, whoop, get it out, extend it, and point out. I know, John, you're probably laughing there, so shut up. So, yeah, and I've got on a stick and angle it, and then be able to like glide as I'm biking and get some really cool B-roll footage to splice together to my eyes. I think it'd be quite awesome. It's just finding some way to store it. Could do a little clip there. I don't know. We'll see. See what I can conjure up. But today I'm just going to get a little dabble at one point, just as a tester. I ain't even had a coffee yet, so yeah, I just kind of got up and went straight out on bike. So I'm gonna go to I think it's the Waterfront Cafe or whatever it's called, something like that. It's right on the lakefront. Should be nice to get my first flat white of the day from a nice little cafe and have a look at the scenery and stuff. Ah. Oh shit. Okay. Well, we're not going that way. Right, plans change. I'm gonna have to turn into this housing estate and make my way around. What did I expect? It's rained for 5 days solid. Right, I think that's it for housing estates and whatnot. We've missed a lot of farmland off and stuff, but not the end of the world. So where I would have come would have brought me out over there, down the steps, and then this way. Not ideal. Okay, so we'll plod on. Oh God. I don't think I've been this way before. Green Lane. Old. It looks mega. Thank you for the suggestion. Sorry it's took me 9 months to take you up on it, but I'm a man of my word. This is pretty damn nice. It's Newmillerdam nice. Please don't be another flood. I can't. How deep can it be realistically? We're okay, aren't we? It looks nice, look. Yeah, you trickle down there. Go on. Oh man, look at these streams. Oh, so nice. Oh yeah. I love this. No cars though, please don't ruin it. Oh, I'm from Norton. I don't have to wave to cyclists, no matter how graceful they are. I live in Norton. I'm a very important businessman on an international business meeting. Get out of my way, peasant. Right, it's officially 9:30. This cafe's just opened, so I'm alright to get a brew. So I can knock about a bit now. Hey, I've not been down here before, so wish me luck. I'm sure it's going to be full of hopes and dreams. Well, there's some sad dead sunflowers. Bloody hell. Ah. It's quite haunting, actually. Poor things. Right, we're at a public car park. This should take us straight onto TPT, I think it is, that goes to Newmillerdam. We're not going all the way across because I want to veer right at some point, which will take me onto a bit of path I've never rode on. Strava did not like it this morning. It was just like, nope, don't go that way, don't go that way. Don't plan that route, you can't do it. But I'm going to try and prove it wrong. So, what are we saying? Do we think think it's going to work? I think I'm going to get stuck. If anything, all those rivers and floods and that are a premonition about what's to come. I'm not going to be able to get through where I want to go. Now that's the way I normally go. I don't know where this is trying to take me, but I'll give it the benefit of a doubt because it's really quite bright on Strava. So some people have done it, particularly mountain bikers. So right, so Newmillerdam is kind of like over there. Oh! Oh! Oh, come on, let's get to this bit. There we go. Oh no, it's flooded. I'm gonna have to go back up this hill. Oh. I probably could. I probably could get through, but I'm not gonna. That looks deep. It's a bit deeper. Hey up. Not too deep for you, is it? Well, that's 3 times I've diverted. Ah, dear. Ah, well, it is where it is. Still exploring, I guess. That sounds absolutely horrendous. That's my derailleur, already out of position. Sick. First, second, third gear, all knackered. To be fair, I don't particularly need them. I've never been up a hill that's really that steep where I've gone that low. Oh dear. Right, I've been that way before, so we're going to go down here. Newmillerdam. Try and connect back up to where we were supposed to be. Thank you. Very nice. Whoop, way up. Oh man, this is sick. Sick. Just keep going downhill, I suppose. So this is where I would have come out. This path here to the side of the stream. So I've gone to Farmer's Field and down there, but it's fine. Really nice though. Really nice. I mean, there's other tyre marks here, so clearly people have been doing it. Not scared, are they? So there is another path there that goes through that big farmer's field. We're not going that way. A bit out of the way. But it's somewhere I've not been and somewhere I'm interested in going in the future. Should you want to watch. Oh, hey up. Nice. I got my own little course. Look at this. Wow. Oh, it's for walkers. No. I ain't got my own little course. I probably could ride down those steps. I went down some for the first time yesterday and I was like, oh wow. I actually survived. Not like them, my back wheel all the way around. Oh man, that was awful. Slippy wood. Wouldn't recommend it. Just gonna go down here to the front. If that pass a bit. It's not meh, it's just walkers clearly. Yep, coots. How do? No. Okay. Ah, the platform that goes across has even flooded over. It's crazy. I'm assuming at some point you're allowed to walk over there. I don't know why they sealed it off. I think it's pretty cool. Alright, come now. Right. Coffee time. I'm absolutely gasping. That does not look like it's going to stay there long. Right, this is the little cafe. A really nice food as well. Wonder if I can sit up top. Wow. Hey, oh. I can't have any coffee. I thought I got away with the weather lightly. It is starting to rain, innit, geese? Hey? Best suck this up and then get off, I suppose. It is a special place, Newmillerdam. If you're ever close by or passing or whatever, you know, it's not too far from M1, Wakefield and North Barnsley entrance. It's pretty good. It's definitely worth it. Oh, it's just, well, I don't need to tell you about it, I'm showing it. If I had mid-drone, you'd be able to see even more, but the woodlands is absolutely huge on both sides, so yeah, give it a go. Alright, so now the plan is just to cross over the dam itself, and then head ice cream, now what? Suppose rain or shine, man's gonna make a living. Yeah, cross over, do a bit of riding in the forest at the other side, and then make his way to Mapplewell Bottle & Co for a nice swift beverage. Nice. So last time I went that way. Well, actually I came in this way. I'm going a bit different apparently, according to my map. It's all kind of the same thing, but I am going a route that I've not done before. Not sure how different it's going to be, but I suppose we can just have a gander. Right, well I'm definitely not going up there, so let's just this way. Hey, come on, let's get some movement because I'm freezing. Nice. Nice. Legs are hurting a bit, but still nice. think it's one of them places where, like, no matter how many times you come, there'll always be like a different route that you can take. I can't remember any of this. So I think pretty much here, all the way home actually, is going to be new. And that excites me. Going down towards Woolley Grange, some forestry area, so should be fun. Well, I have this bit just here, which I've done before. After that, we should be golden. Again, another new part. Let's see how we get on. Ow. Whoa, my back tyre went really wide then. Nice. This is, whoa. It's great, but I'm struggling with this slippy wood. Ah, it's fine. It's fine. Stick to the path. Well, there's a little stick bridge that someone's tried making there. If I can actually... You know what? That weren't bad. I think sometimes I've just got to lighten up and go with it. It's made a difference having these shoes on. I think I talked about them before, the ones from Sports Direct. I think down from 75 quid to 25. They're fishing shoes, but waterproof, warm, comfy, epic. Stood in that river, dry as a bone. The back wheel is it's just spinning like mad. Come on. Right, see where this goes. I can't see this ending well, but it's pretty. Quite tight though. I think it's a walking route, but I'll see what I can get away with. Very different to what I normally do. Ow! Tell you what, I'll be ready for a beer after this. Nice. Quite proud of myself there. Ah! Ah! Ow! Go straight. Ah! I'm not bleeding. Oh, I thought I were. Straight to that branch. Ow! Some speed and all. Ow! Didn't like that. There we go. Normal path now. Nice. Ah, dear. How do I even get out of here? Eh? Wait, private land? Oh, oops, my bad. Where is that? Anti-vandalism paint? Yep. Sick. I'm glad I saw that because that could have been a lot worse. I'm here by accident, so can you please let me through? Just follow the bloody path. Ain't no one that mapped told me not to come this way. I should listen to it more often. Sorry, Strava. The almighty Strava. I'll not disappoint you again. Punished with a bit of road, but at least I can ask for. Well, fog's really coming now. Look at this. I can't see out in front of me. I should put my fog light on my back of the helmet. Right, not much down here. It is a one-way, so they can overtake me. And then I'm into a new bit of wooded land, which is gonna be like some out of Resident Evil that looks at it. Well, I do quite like little trails like this as long as they're consistent. I hope. I thought there were some carvings in cliffs then. It must be natural. Wow. Well done. Not saying much because I'm concentrating. Very much concentrating. I like this little route though. Damn, this is gorgeous. What the hell? Oh, dude. Oh man. Oh man, this is sick. Oh God. I'm too nervous for this stuff. Ah. It's pretty though. Ow! Ow! I'm enjoying this. It's really nice. Oh, not much more to say other than it's sweet. Keep going. Come on. Whoa. Oh, not another flood. Oh, we can get around, it's okay. This is just so nice. Absolutely exhausting, but nice nonetheless. Can't get that way because it's flooded. That's where I went last time, so I'm just going to go forward, see where it gets me. It's fine. Not been the best ride in my life. Well, this section anyway. Oop. Just can't. Everywhere's been too slippy to get. So I can just push the top of here, pull my son up with brakes. Hopefully I'll be okay. Thorns, sick. This stage I'm not bothered. Oh. Right, that wasn't a pleasant pleasant experience. I should have gone to the road straight away when I thought about it. In fact, yeah, I've got 10% battery left. I know it's all downhill from here, but I just don't think I'm going to make it if I go the route I planned. So I will save that route for another one. Just basically come to here and carry on because I think it's got some potential. There's a footpath here, but no matter where I go, this right direction, I'll end up at bottom of Darton. It's all uphill again then. So if I can minimise it and just stick to this, I should be okay. Hopefully. Anyway, I'm probably going to leave it there because this is all just rain and dull rain and rain and rain. So it's road, and I get to the pub and then I'm done. So I might as well just call it there so I can just switch off and put my music on and get on with life. So good ride. Slightly dampened by the dampness of the weather and the pretty much impossible hill to try and get up earlier in that bit of woodland. But other than that, it was pretty solid. So yeah, I'm glad I've come out. I have a couple of beers, ride my way home, steady away. I'll tell you what, eco mode is, it's not easy. Right, thank you all for watching, guys, as always. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.